Good morning, my brothers and sisters, wherever you are watching me from. I remain the great Mama International. I want to talk to Tony Kabaka this afternoon. Tony Kabaka, if it not because of the change wey Tom Polo they give you, that make you they talk anyhow. I'm very, very disappointed in you. Okay, Tony Kabaka now they talk to. All of una dey call her Ipa. Which kind Ipa be that? Although Tony Kabaka not senior me anyway because I senior am. If not because of the change wey Tom Polo dey give you, na make you dey talk anyhow. I'm very, very disappointed in you. It's just where they threaten the Benin Kingdom. It's just where they say Benin go born. Now you dey talk, say make they go dey give appointment. Now, are they the only ones settling in Benin? We have Igbos there. We have Hausas, even more than them. We have the Igbos. We have the Yorubas. Every other tribe settled in Edo State. You understand? So now, because of the change wey Tom Polo they give you, that make you they come to talk anyhow and make they give them appointment. I'm very, very disappointed in you. Hausa have the largest population in Benin City where we say we settle for Benin. They never give them appointment. Just because Tom Polo they give you change. You came and be ranting. They say all sort of words where you're not supposed to talk. May they give these jaws that is threatening the Benin Kingdom. Asadi Tokubo, that hippopotamus came out the other day, come to insult the great Oba of the Benin Kingdom. You didn't say anything. You didn't talk just because they are giving you change. Tony Kabaka, I'm very, very disappointed in you. You understand? I'm not your friend. We have met maybe 1, 2, 3 occasions, but I'm not your friend. But I'm disappointed in you for making such words. Say may they give Ijaw that is threatening the Benin Kingdom, that is threatening Edo State, say Edo State go born. May they give them political appointment because if they settle for Gele. Now only their forefathers don't settle for Edo State. Do you know how many Hausas their forefathers don't settle for Edo State? The Igbos, the Yorubas, and every other tribes we don't settle for Edo State. How many appointments they don't give them? I'm very disappointed in you, Tony Kabaka. Not be you for come and say such word. How much have they paying you? Tony Kabaka, how much are they paying you to utter such word in your mouth? How much are they paying you? The money wey be say they give you, not reach you. Long throat. That's what they call long throat. It's just where they threaten the Benin Kingdom. And it's just you want to make them give political appointment for Edo State. It's just where they insult the Oba of Benin. Asadi Tokubo, that hippopotamus came out the other day and be insulting the Benin Kingdom. Be insulting the Oba of Benin. They say Oba of Benin, a whole Oba of Benin that is well respected all over the world. They say that 419. You didn't see anything just because of change, peanuts. That is how Baseki Papa betrayed the Benin Kingdom. Now you are coming to do the same thing. The same way they give Ijaw political appointment. I'm very, very disappointed in you. Not be you for say such word. What one they call him a powerful? A power will not respect himself. He not senior me anyway. I'm much older than him. We were born the same year. Okay? I was born in February 1969. February. He was born around June, maybe July. I'm older than him. Okay? Tony Kabaka, I'm disappointed, very, very disappointed in you. Okay? If you have money whether they give you, make you they talk anyhow, retrace back your step. I mean, you be the best way one can say betray the Benin Kingdom. Because of the change they are paying you. Those are disappointed in your word. Okay? I remember the great Mama International. Bye.
They talk down on our Oba, our God on earth. They insult her, they talk anyhow, they claim war, this and this, like if the war come, they go fit stand on a norm. Comrade Tony Kabaka, Epatomo, you na senior man. They get one tradition we be saying, and our elders would always respect them. But elders we talk out of line. The younger ones they will go still correct them, not for insult or anything. If that word where you talk say, may the fan want this thing give a job people. If I don't talk them again, retake your word, because the same job people where you the want they put on for their back, so now the same people will be say that they insult our own power of Benin. That they talk down on our own power, our God on earth. That they insult and they talk anyhow, they claim war, this and this, like if the war come, they go fit stand on a norm. The way we take be immigrant for the European side, now so they take be immigrant for Benin. So if they need any position or anything, they need to be very, very loyal. They need to follow the rules and regulations, the norms and traditions of the land. You understand? They need to they need to integrate with the people, of Edo, of Benin. You understand? They need to follow rules. Not be all this gree where they show weapon. Who they show weapon for? If Benin ready for them, they go vanish overnight on a norm. Not be say even you, if you yourself you know now, they go vanish overnight. If they get on so the children of Benin, the children of Edo State, we are all born warriors. Not be say it is our blood. If they get on so now they talk a pair. Now where they don't hear you now this and this, whether not the aliens now they switch you and understand though. If I not talk them again, you be senior man. You be senior man. You understand? You be senior man. If I beg, remember that senior man where you be. Should they get on they get on. If they not follow our rules, if they not come apologize to our Oba, they not do the right thing, there is no way we be said of it to get any position for this Edo State. You understand the power? Domo sa. Domo.
In Nigeria with what's at stake. What's your own opinion and what's your own take?
You're welcome, my brother. God bless you. You see, this agitation that you are talking about, I don't look at it like agitation. I look at it like a protest. Because these people, their forefathers live there in Benin. All their children were born and brought there in Benin. You understand? Their forefathers were born there in Benin. You see, what I see that is the problem on ground. I think they should open door for them to contest for any position. Because if they are contesting for councillor, they say I'm contesting for councillor Ward 5 of Edo State. So they will know that they are from Edo State. You know, they should give them room to contest for chairman. There's no how. If you look at the map, it shows the job as agitating the one in Benin. You see the map, they are under Edo State. You can't take that away from that map. You see, the agitation, they divide from the principal agitation. Or let me call it protest. They divide. Because on a good day, they're supposed to have a free and fair policy flying in those things.